Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a new month, but in Chicago you always have a chance for a winter storm, and yesterday we had the sixth strongest storm in Chicago history with about 17 to 18 inches of snow. I spent most of yesterday snow blowing, and it kept drifting and blowing over. This morning's commute wasn't too bad, but we still have cleaning up in Chicago. This storm could also slow some of the cash movement around the grain belt until things get cleaned up. Behind it, some cold temperatures, and we'll see if that has any impact on logistics either. Overnight, bean prices, corn prices up, wheat unchanged. Outside markets, we started out a little easier when the Chinese PMI data came out below 50. But when we looked at the commitments to traders report and saw that crude oil had a 5-year high of net short positions, crude oil actually started rallying closer to $50 a barrel. We also noted in the CFTC report that they added to their short position in beans and wheat, and that they reduced their positions in long and corn and soybean oil. So we also saw a little bit of a bounce in the beans and corn because of this. Other than that, on Friday we broke beans and meal on the expectations that the Brazilian farmer was going to sell beans after the currency broke on bad deficit economic data. But we didn't really see as much farmers selling as we had anticipated. So we're going to see three things. Number one, how much bounce does this market have in it because of the weather or because of maybe some slow selling in Brazil? Number two, we're going to be seeing from a cash standpoint in the United States, if the farmer slows down selling, especially in corn, does that affect anything as far as prices are concerned? And number three, at these price levels, does the demand pick up for corn, beans, and wheat? Later in the month of February, we'll have the annual USDA Outlook Conference, and we'll see what they say about US 15 and 16 supply and demand. Most people look for them to slow a slight drop in the corn carryout, but increases in the wheat and soybean carryout. Still shoveling today. Hope everybody is safe. And as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.